want to welcome you out to our Forex launch webinar. I'm so honored and excited to have you here. As we can see in the chat box, we have people from all over the world who are joining us right now because of what is taking place with this movement. For the first time ever, I can honestly say I've never seen more people winning in a place like this that have never won before. I've never seen people awaken on such a massive level to what's going on with money and how you can be the one who is multiplying it. I've never seen something like this. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and get this show on the road. If you could comment in the comment section throughout this call. If you have questions, we'll deal with some of those at the end. But guys, welcome out to this call. It is time to get this started. First off, I want to give you just a couple facts about the company, and then I'm going to break down everything that you came here to see and show you why this is undeniably the best Forex platform that exists in the world, okay? So first off, the name of our company is Tradera. We were founded in early 2019, and we're based here in the United States. And I'm thankful to say that we are able to impact people all across the planet on a level that I have never seen before, okay? And you're going to see that here on this call tonight. Now listen, we are a financial services platform. We're educating people about what's going on in the financial world and how you can profit from it every single day, okay? And we're also 100% debt-free company. If you could do this for me, I want you to comment in the comment section. If you have never heard about Forex, this is your first time seeing this, I want you to give me a 1 in the chat box. If you already know what's going on with Forex and you're looking for a better place to be involved with where you can be more profitable, I want you to comment 2 in the comment section, okay? Now listen, let's talk about Forex. Forex is the foreign exchange market. This is the largest financial market in the world. You're talking about over $6 trillion a day. Now, one thing that I want to do is I want to explain to you how important it is that you understand what's going on right now. Any of you that has a bank account, specifically a savings account, your money is already profiting in this market. Now, if you did not know that, well, now you do. This is what's really important. Here's my question for all of you. If someone's going to make money off of your money, do you believe that it should be you or should it be the bank? I want you to comment me in the comment section if it should be you, or comment bank if you would rather continue to make the bank wealthy. What's absolutely mind-blowing to me is the fact that all of us have money in this market. We live in a world where information is accessible at our fingertips, and finally people are starting to realize the banks have been holding back on their big secret. Our money is what's making them wealthy. Now, it's important tonight that you pay attention because tonight is the night that you have the ability to change your life and put yourself in a situation where instead of making somebody else wealthy with your own money, you can now put your money to work for you. And that's what we're doing here in the Forex markets, okay? What is going on is this is currencies being exchanged. In every country around the world, there's a currency. And the value of these currencies, they go up and down every single day. Now, what's powerful about Forex, unlike the stock market, is we make money off the ups and downs in the market. Regardless if the price is moving up or if the price is moving down, we have the ability to make money. What's crazy about this is if you just invest in the stock market traditionally, right, the only way you can make money is if the market is moving up. For me, that's a short-sighted investment because there's only one way you can win. Now, if you can make money off the ups and downs, somebody give me a yes in the chat box if that puts you in a position where you can actually be recession-proof. Regardless if the economy is going to hell or if it's going to heaven, you have the ability to make money off of the markets every single day the same way that banks do. So let me explain what's going on. What we're going to teach you how to do is how to learn when to buy, when to sell, and when not to trade at all. It's really big that you understand that we are not busy traders. We're not trading 24/7. We are profitable traders. We're looking for good setups, and thankfully this platform that you're about to see tonight has made that beyond simple for everybody, from someone that knows nothing about Forex to someone that is an expert in Forex, okay? It's super, super powerful, the services that we've created. And I want to do a quick overview on them. And then I'm going to dive deep into each one of them and how they are here to benefit you massively, okay? We have our trading education. We have our trade alerts. We have our live sessions. We have our market forecast, fundamental analysis, our launch manual, the 20 pips and dip strategy, which is an extra gift that we give to you. And then beyond anything, we have an amazing community of people who are all focused on helping people all across the world get the right information about money, as well as the right vehicle about money. Give me a 1 in the chat box if you agree with me that if you don't have the right vehicle to get you where you want to go, you don't have the ability to get there. So many people have dreams, so many people have desires, but they don't have the right vehicle to get them where they desire to go. And I'm absolutely convinced for all of you who are watching this right now that this vehicle is the best vehicle that you've ever had the ability to step in and begin to drive, okay? Let's jump into this. The first thing is the trading education. It's 100% online education from the very basics to advanced A to Z, okay? All you have to do, you log into your customer back office and you see over here on the right-hand side of the screen, Forex and cryptocurrency. At this point, we have 2 different education platforms. We're teaching on Forex, which is the foreign exchange market, as well as cryptocurrency. And I'm sure that you've heard about cryptocurrency, even if you're not super familiar with everything going on with cryptocurrency, okay? What we do is we teach people, whether you want to invest traditionally with cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, you can go and pay your AT&T bill right now with cryptocurrency. So we cannot any longer suggest that this is not something that's legitimately changing our society in the way that money is going to move in the world that we live in today, okay? Now, we also teach you strategies, and we have a step-by-step process to help you get into the market to understand what's going on, and you're going to see that more in depth when I show the manual, okay? This trading education is very simple. It's very important for all of you to understand. If you learn this skill set of trading Forex, you never have to worry about money again, and I mean that very, very genuinely, okay? One thing that no one can take from you is a skill set. Anywhere around the world, anytime you have the ability to make money in the Forex and cryptocurrency markets, and this platform is making it as simple as it will ever get, as well as affordable as it will ever get, okay? With our trade alerts, I need everybody to type 1, 2, 3 in the chat box for me right now. Okay, type 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to break down exactly what these trade alerts are doing. Okay, with these trade alerts, what they do is they send you the currency pairs that we're trading. Okay, it's giving you 3 things. It's giving you your entry point, your stop loss, and your take profit. So what's powerful about this is while you're learning what's going on with Forex and the education platform, now you have the ability to earn just copying and pasting expert traders. They're sending you precisely where you get in and where you get out, regardless if the trade goes in the favor that the trade was called or if it goes against the way the trade was called. And I want you guys to understand you can do this anywhere around the world right from your phone. The way that you see the hand holding this phone and the signal being there, this is the same way that you're going to have access to it. Your phone is either going to be something that makes you money every month, or your phone is going to be something that costs you money every single month. And I would suggest making money off a smartphone is probably the smartest thing that you could do. Okay, look here at the trade alerts. I want to talk about the documentation. Comment, documentation beats conversation. Let's just talk about since January. One thing that I love about this platform is everything is transparent. Nothing is hidden. Our losses, our wins, everything you have access to see in the back office from the very beginning since this company was created until today and moving forward, okay? Since January 1st, we've had over 5,000 pips that were called out. If you don't know what a pip is, that's how they measure how the market moves, okay? So let's just give a little bit of an explanation real quick. Let's say that you are making $1 per pip. This is for illustration and an example purpose. I want to make this clear. I'm not giving any type of guarantees, okay? According to the regulators, we must state that Forex does come with risk. You do have the ability to lose the same way you have the ability to win. It sounds a lot like life, okay? Now listen, 5,000 pips at just $1 a pip, that could be 5,000 extra dollars you have made even on smaller accounts by simply copying and pasting. Let's say you are making $5 a pip. That could be an extra $25,000 you could have made. Let's say you were making $10 a pip, okay, a standard lot. That's an extra $50,000 that you could have potentially made by simply copying and pasting. This is unlike anything I've ever seen. Our records speak for themselves. The net profit pips is over 5,000 since January. This is unheard of. And for the first time, people from every walk of life, whether poor or rich, have the ability to come in and win with our platform. Now, the live sessions. What's really beautiful about this is when you're learning in the education platform, if you're anything like me, it's a lot easier when I see somebody break something down in front of my face, okay? What's going on in the live sessions is one of our master educators every single night, Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern. You can hop on these live sessions and you can watch them break down the markets and talk about what the markets are doing, just like you're live with me on this call right now. Instead of just showing you what we're doing, we'll actually be trading on these sessions every single night at 8 p.m. If you happen to miss it, you can go back and watch the recording. But what's unique about this is you actually have the ability to interact with the educator while he's talking and while he's breaking down the market. If you have questions, if you want to know about a certain pair, you can ask about that. And it truly makes trading so much more simple. Not only are you learning, not only are you earning with the trade alerts, but now you have someone every night, Sunday through Thursday, breaking it down live in front of you where you can attend it just like if it was in your city. But welcome to the 21st century. We can do it right here on our computer. Now, with our market forecast, this is one of my favorite things at the same time. With our market forecast, every Sunday around 5 p.m. Eastern, that's when the markets open up on Sunday, okay? The top 10 pairs that our top educators and master traders are looking at, they are going to show us from stocks, from indices, okay, from Forex, from cryptocurrency. We send out the top pairs that we're looking at with the biggest potential moves. This could also be more long-term trades for the entire week rather than just the trade alerts, which usually last, 4 hours to a day. Okay, so this is super powerful. Not only do you get the trade alerts, but you also have the top setups that these master traders are looking at, and you have the ability to take advantage of that. And they're charting it out for you so you can now see precisely what it is that they're looking at. And it gets you in a place where you can start recognizing what they're looking at the same way when you just begin to look at the charts. Our whole goal here is to teach you the skill set while also offering you every ability we can to help you be profitable in the markets. I also want to state this. Those 5,000 pips don't include any of the trades that have been sent out. And if you're on the team right now, I want you to give me a yes in the chat box if these trade setups are not absolutely incredible every single week. One of the first things that I do on Sunday as I go into my back office, I look at these trade setups, I look at what they're looking at, and at that point I say, look, this is what trades I think that I'm going to take this week too, on top of the trade alerts that are sent. You can see in the chat box the success that people are having here is undeniable, okay? The fundamental analysis, I want to talk about this just for a minute. All of us watch the news, and if you don't watch the news on TV, well, unfortunately, we still see it on social media everywhere we look. One of the hot topics recently has been the coronavirus. It's caused a massive change in the economy here in America as well as different countries around the world. What they do is the top news events that impact the market. What's going on here is they're showing us precisely what's going on, and they're also telling us what it's going to cause the market to do. Now, what's powerful about this is all of us watch the news, but how about instead of just being a spectator in society, you begin to be profitable off of these news events? Because I don't know if you know this, but the reason why the media loves to push fear so heavy is because it calls people to sell, right? If you look at this document right here, where I can't click in it because it's just a screenshot, but it talks about the coronavirus outbreak, you'll see if you were a member, and when you become a member, you can go in here and look. It's caused over 1,000 points in one session to drop with the stock market. Right now in our economy, I want to make something very clear. We are going through a very volatile time. And what's happening is the markets are moving up and down. The top economists around the world have suggested that we are going to enter a next recession in the next 12 to 24 months. And it could be even faster than that. So my question is, are you recession proof? What if you lose your job? Just like look at what's going on right now. There's different states that have stated a state of emergency where they've canceled different concerts and events. What if your job had to cancel work for a while? What would you do for income? One of the biggest things that I want to make clear is that if you do not have yourself set in a position where if you lost your current income and you're more than fine, you are in the most riskiest situation that you can be in. You need to learn how to multiply your money. The banks are already doing it, and it only makes sense that you do it too, okay? With our launch manual, we're going to make sure that you have a plan, okay? We're not going to say, hey, go ahead and sign up for our company and good luck. No, we have a step-by-step launch manual to walk you through what you need to do from day 1 all the way to day 90, okay? What education you need to begin to go through, what steps you need to take in order to get where you want to go. Everything in life has to be practical and specific, and this is what we've done for you. You get to lean on over 20 years of experience from marketing, from trading, and we're going to make sure within 2 weeks, if you follow what we're doing, within 2 weeks, you will be not only able to understand what you're looking at in the market, dare I say that you should be profitable in the markets based off your own analysis within 2 weeks if you follow our step-by-step launch manual, okay? I'm beyond proud of this because for the first time, people are not left alone. So many people want to learn, but people don't have the ability oftentimes to reach the highest potential if they have to do it by themselves. And this is what I love about what we have here. This strategy right here. I want to talk about something Albert Einstein said. He said, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Our 20 pips and dip strategy is putting you in a position where you understand the power of 20 pips and what you can do even with a small account. Okay? Let's just say that you are making $1 per pip. So on 20 pips, that would be an extra 20 bucks a day. Let's say you are making $5 a pip. At 20 pips, that's an extra $100 a day. Let's say it was $10 a pip. At 20 pips, that's an extra $200 a day. You have to understand the power of 20 pips, and everybody that trades understands that 20 pips is not a lot. That's why this is so powerful, because you can take people and show them the very thing that will help them grow their money and focus on just the practical side of compounding their money as their account grows. You'll see more about this in the manual. There's a step-by-step process to learn this as well. Now, what my favorite thing is about this company, hands down, is the trade community. We have a community like no other, okay? We are all about empowering the masses, teaching people the right information about money, and helping people get access to a platform that can actually help them live their dreams, okay? You get to work with the team. If you have questions, you get to ask the team. We have our Facebook chats, our Telegram chats. We have everything you need to make sure that you are not alone. I want to state this on the record. If you come over here, the only real way that you can lose is if you hide from everyone, and you try really hard and you don't take any of the signals, you don't jump on any of the live sessions, and you literally sign up for something and never open it, okay? At that point, that would be your fault. Now, what we want to help you do is actually get where you want to go. So all we need you to commit to doing is being coachable and follow our step-by-step process. And at that point, it's almost undeniable that you will have success with us. Now, what makes this the most beautiful thing to sum all of this up is this. It's only $99 every 4 weeks. I've spent thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars learning this skill set over the last 4 years. I've never seen a platform that provided this type of value, especially at the price of $99. You're getting access to our trading education, our trade alerts, our live sessions, our market forecast, the fundamental analysis, the launch manual, the 20 pips and dip strategy, and our trade community, okay? This right here will set you up where you can be successful, and the most that you are risking is $99 to learn something that can potentially change your life drastically. Put you in a situation from being a person that's making the banks rich to being able to finally create wealth for yourself and your family, which is the most important thing, okay? If you love what you see, if you love the results that you're getting, you also have the ability to share this with other people, but that is entirely optional. Let me make this very clear. Our focus is for you to come in and you to learn this skill set, you to earn money in the markets, and for you to be in a situation where you never have to worry about money again. But if you're anything like some of us, we say, listen, we can't just hold this information to ourselves. It feels like a disservice to everybody else around us if we do not share this. And the cool thing about this company is as an IBO, you have the ability to share this and create residual income. Now, I want you to comment free in the chat box if you would love to have access to all of this for free. What's really unique about this company is if you share this with 3 people, okay? 3 people say, hey, I want to multiply my money too. Hey, I think it's stupid to let the banks just continue to get rich off of me. If I could do the exact same thing right from my phone, right from my computer, anywhere in the world, anytime, as long as I take the time to be practical with this, okay? You refer 3 people, your membership is now free every single month moving forward. You pay $99 one time, then at that point, you continue to get access to the platform every single month as long as you have 3 active customers, okay? This is absolutely powerful. Now, I want to talk about the next segment of this business, and that is creating residual income by sharing this platform with other people. One thing that's really powerful is that the foundation of this company is to help everybody hit founder, which is the free rank. From the free rank of not paying the membership every single month all the way to the top rank in the company, all you ever needed to do was help 3 people get started. Now look at this. You see where it says personal referrals? Look at this very carefully. What's powerful about this is you see every rank moving forward, you only need 3 personal referrals. Even if somebody upgrades to an IBO, that is still your personal referral as long as they are still a client and paying the $99 for a membership, and everybody pays that because everybody wants access to the trade alerts, the live sessions, the education, and the community, okay? Now look, once you get to the rank of founder, the next goal is to help your 3 people get their 3 people and help them hit the rank of founder and get either a free membership, or I want you to comment paid in the chat box if instead of getting something for free, you would love to get something where you're actually paid, okay? Everyone loves free until they realize that they can get paid, because free doesn't pay the bills, but if you got extra residual income paying you every single week, well, you can also contribute that to your bills, to your dreams, and whatever else you're working on, and all of this is on top of whatever you're making trading, okay? Now, if you helped your 3 people get 3, that's 12 people. Check this out. All you need is 10 people in order to get $125 a week at the rank of night and $500 a month. If you are in this company right now and you are already one of these ranks, if you could shout out your rank in the comment section so everybody can see that this is hands down the most beautiful thing, from the trading platform to the residual platform. Our community, what we do is once you get involved and you start helping people, we're actually passing out everybody else's link to help them rank up as well, whether it's founder or whether it's night and above, okay? 10 people, $125 a week. And what's powerful about this is you don't have to wait a 2-week pay period before you get paid. Listen to me very carefully. Write in the chat box, no delay in pay. Look at all the people in the chat box who are already ranked, okay? I want you to write no delay in pay in the chat box right now, because whatever rank you are, as of Sunday night at midnight, Monday morning, you get paid. The company gets paid, and what they do is they make sure that you get paid. And what that does is that pushes everybody to desire to share this with people because of the results and the fact that we get paid right out of the gate. Now, the next rank is Noble. At 25 people in your organization, that's paying you out $250 a week, $1,000 a month. At the rank of Bishop, that's 75 people, that's paying you $500 a week, $2,000 a month. Move up to Duke or Duchess. That's $5,000 a month, $1,250 weekly for a team of 250 people. Now remember, all you did was get 3. The fact that people are having results as soon as they get started, it's easy for people to want to go and talk to other people because everybody really wants to help people, but most people haven't found a practical way to help people where they're actually comfortable sharing things with someone. So this is what we do. We help you get the results, and we understand when someone has results, they want to help other people. So at that point, we can help empower the masses, okay? The next rank, 500 people, prince or princess, $10,000 a month, $2,500 a week, and it goes all the way up to legend at 5,000 people. That's $25,000 weekly, $100,000 a month. Now, I want to make this disclaimer. The company does not guarantee any type of income. If you do not get your 3, you don't even have the ability to trade or get a free membership. So the goal is everybody to come in and get their 3, and then from there, our community is focused on helping everybody achieve whatever rank they desire, because we're convinced if we help everybody around us get where we want to go and where they want to go, all of us will make it to our goal, okay? I think that we have to come to a realization that fighting for money and trying to outwork each other is actually keeping us back from the money, okay? Imagine if we're fighting over a loaf of bread, or if everybody's able to come to a feast and eat, okay? I see a question, what are distribution requirements? That you have 3 personals. And then at that point, you can see right here what the numbers you need in order to achieve the ranks from 10, 25, 75, 250, 500, and so on, okay? Super, super powerful, the most generous comp plan I've ever seen in my life, that people are ranking up at a pace that I've never seen because of the results that they're having trading, okay? Now, Zig Ziglar said this, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. There's so many people who let fear keep them back from achieving their goals. One thing that I've learned, it's not the most talented people who end up making the most money. It's the relentless people who refuse to stay in the same situation they were at. You may not have it all figured out today. You may know nothing about Forex. That's what you're paying for. Before you went to college, if you went to college, did you know everything they were going to teach you? No, but you paid for the education. Instead of just giving you some education, we're going to teach you about money. What the school systems are lacking, financial education. This right here will put you in a position where you're learning the same knowledge of what is making the wealthy people extremely wealthy that they have held back from the masses. And you can't tell me that's not true, because when's the last time the bank told you that they were making ridiculous amounts of money off of your money and thanked you for continuing to put your money in the bank every single time you get paid? Okay? It's time that we do something different. So this is what I need you to do right now. I need you to reach back to whoever sent you this link, whoever invited you to see this call, because this is an opportunity of a lifetime where you have the ability to take advantage of everything that you saw here on this call for $99. And what we're going to do is we're going to help you make sure you have a plan. We're going to help you walk step by step through this journey. We're going to hold your hand, and we're going to make sure you have everything you need in order to be successful. So once again, it's $99. Everything that you just saw, you're getting access to. We're not here to upsell you. It's $99. Go ahead and reach back out to the person that invited you to this call and understand that this is a revolution that's all about empowering people with the right information about money, the right vehicle to obtain the type of money that you're looking for, in a way for all of us to truly create time freedom and, dare I say, put your family in the most beautiful situation regardless of what's going on in the economy. The winter financial storm is coming. This is not a shout of fear. This is a shout of common sense and awareness to all of you. The winter storm is coming. Do not let $99 keep you from being in a position that you do not have to worry when that happens, okay? Make sure you get back to the person that invited you to this call. Thank you for taking the time to jump on this call and to see what we have going on here with Tradera. And I'm beyond excited to help you achieve your goals, multiply your money, and create the type of life that you really desire to live. Once again, thanks for coming to this call, and I will see you in the training groups. Have an amazing day and night. Cheers.